shake there. What's that creature shaking here and there? It's a bear. She goes shake, shake, boogie woogie oogie, shake, shake, boogie woogie oogie, shake, shake, boogie woogie oogie. That's the way she's shaking here and there. Down in the jungle in the midday heat, what can you see? Stomping his feet with a stompy stomp here and a stompy stomp there. What's that creature stomping its feet? It's an elephant. She goes stomp, stomp, boogie woogie oogie, stomp, stomp, boogie woogie oogie, stomp, stomp, boogie woogie oogie. That's the way she's stomping her feet. Down in the jungle where the stars are shining bright, who can you see swaying left and right? With a sway, sway here and a sway, sway there. Who's swaying left and swaying right? We are you, me, everybody. We go sway, sway,